how to change your account location in Roblox twice. So here, if we click on the gear icon and we go into settings, it's going to show us this. So I've changed my account location once, and now as you can see, I can't click on this menu, and it's telling me contact Roblox support to change your account location. So here's what we need to do. In the URL bar, we will write roblox.com/ and support. So this is all you need to do, /support, click on it and fill out your email address here. So write an email which you are using, and then here, what device are you having the problem on? Select the device which you use most commonly to play Roblox. So for me, it's going to be PC. Type of help category, this is very important. Here we will choose data privacy requests, and a new menu will appear here. Click on it and then select other privacy request. Now here, description of the issue, I will leave this as a pinned comment. You can copy and paste it. So I've changed my account location once, and now whenever I try to update it to my current country, it tells me I need to contact support. I would like to change it too, and here's where you will write your location or the country which you want to update it to. And basically, after you have filled out this information, like I said, make sure you have written your email address and confirmed it here. You will click on continue, and then in some time a Roblox representative will get in touch with you and tell you if they can update your country. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.